Good evening, all of you. Welcome, all of you. Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing the topic series completion and also number puzzle. Number puzzle is continuation of number sequence we discussed in the last lecture. So that also we'll be discussing. So invite all of your friends. This is a series where we are covering all topics of UPSC CSAT, 30 minutes per video. So you can share this link to your friends, share this playlist link to your friends so that they can watch all lectures as recorded or live. And this series is useful for other exams also, like CSIR NET, GATE exam and other competitive exams where aptitude tests are there. The previous year questions we are discussing is from UPSC CSAT only, but the concepts that we are learning are useful for other exams also. Okay, so, and for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I'm the author of the book CSIR NET General Aptitude and New Outlook, which is the current bestseller book for part A preparation, that is General Aptitude preparation for NET exam. And these are the courses I offer. For CSIR NET, there is a complete course, and flashcards for CSIR NET and UPSC CSAT and other exams are also available. For CSIR NET aspirants, once again reminding you, the complete course is available now at ₹749 with recorded videos and free online study materials. Together, you can get in this course. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, shortcut tricks, exam hacks, everything are included in this course. Mock test, practice worksheets also you can get along with this course. Demo videos are available in the mobile application Christy's classes. You can download it from Play Store or check the description of this video. And those of you want free resources from us, you can be part of our Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, mobile application Christy's classes, and also the website christyvarghese.in. You can follow or subscribe to that. And these are the other playlists in this channel so that you can learn more aptitude or practice more questions using different playlist in this channel. And speed maths also, you can see the playlist Vedic mathematics and mental arithmetic, through which you can learn speed maths also. Okay, so these are the lectures in this playlist, and this is the 37th lecture. 3 more lectures in the series, 40 lectures, 3 more lectures in the series after this, so by which we will be completing. So I'd like to hear from all of you how you felt the series is, or your feedback about the series are very welcome in the comment section, and also in the live chat you can mention. Okay, so let us start. Series completion means questions like this. With question I will teach you the theory. The theory is very simple. For every question you can use this theory for this chapter questions. So first I will show you a question and show you. After that we will go to PYQ. So try this question once. Then once you understand the challenge, it will be easy to solve the challenge. So try this, all of you. 1 minute to try. All of you try. Okay, so some of you got an answer. So these questions, how to do it? It is very simple. There's a process you can follow by which you can easily do the questions of this type. So here, what is the idea? You have to fill options. For example, if you are filling option A here, B here, A here, C here, C here, B here, and see whether there is a pattern A, C, B, But there is a big problem. Pattern can be in group of 3 letter or 4 letter or 5 letter or 6 letter. Different possibilities are there. That is why a small trick will help you to do this. Elimination is one thing, but before doing elimination, first estimate how many letters are there. How many letters are there, including the blanks, how many letters are there. That is the first step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we understood it is 15 letters. Now you have to use some number system idea. When I taught you number system, I told you the idea of number system will be directly or indirectly needed in many chapters. Even in this reasoning chapter also, number system idea will be helpful. We discussed about factors, how to factorize each number, and factors occur in pairs, those things. This is a summary of that flashcard we discussed about factors. So that idea will help you here. How? This 15 letters means how all 15 can be factorized. 15 can be factorized. I told you 15, 1 into 15 is 15. So 1 and 15 are factors. 3 into 5 is 15. That means these are the only 4 factors. In this you can avoid 1 and 15. What we are trying to do is we want to know in how many groups or groups of how many elements we have to divide it. Is it 1 element, 2 element, 3 element, 4 element, etc. we have to know. So that you can understand from this. Either groups of 1 or groups of 3 or groups of 5 or groups of 15. But groups of 1, that is not a group at all. Group of 15 also does not make sense. So here only possible cases are groups of 3 or groups of 5. All of you are understanding? So now we have a guideline. Either you have to group it in groups of 3 or in group of 5. So try both of it by substituting options. Substitute option into the question like this and then check in groups of 3 or groups of 5 whether you can establish a pattern. What is a pattern? I will tell you here. First option, let us see. In groups of 3, first we can check. AAC, BBA, ABC, ACC, ABC. That is not a clear pattern at all. AAC, BBC, that is making sense. Or AAC, 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 that is also fine. But this is not at all a pattern. So option A, in group of 3 you cannot get a pattern. Now groups of 5 we can check. AAC, BB, AABCA, CCABC. That is also not a pattern. We only have to now check groups of 3 or groups of 5. Because if it is not a factor, what is the problem? Groups of 6 does not make sense. Because if you group it into groups of 6, 6 letter, then 3 letter, that is not a proper group. Every group should have equal number of elements. That is the idea. So that is why after factorizing we understood 3 and 5 only is possible. So by that logic, we are checking groups of 3 and groups of 5. Now checking second option, groups of 3, AAC, CBC, ABB, AAC, ABC. Not clearly any pattern. So that is also eliminated. Or let us check groups of 5, AACCB, CABBA, ACA, BC. Not a pattern. So this is also eliminated. This is second option I am telling. This is second option. Now third option, if you substitute third option, you will get like this. If you substitute AABBCC, AABBCC, you will get this third case. Let us check groups of 3, AAC, ABB, ABB, ACC, ACC. Yeah, ABB, ABB, ACC, ACC is fine. But what is this AAC? That is breaking the chain or breaking the pattern. So that is eliminated with 3 element case. AAC, AB, BAB, BA, CCA, CC. That is also not a pattern. So that is also eliminated. Final option is option D. That should be the answer now. Let us check in group of 3. ABC, 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 ABC. Clearly a pattern. That is a pattern. So option D is the answer. All of you please respond. Is this clear or not? Now, so if you are watching me live or recorded, if you can mention whether it is clear. Because this concept is enough to do all questions in this chapter. And questions were asked in UPSC about 5 or 6 times, same type question. If you know this theory, it is sure shot 2.5 mark, because there is nothing that you can go wrong in this if you are following this process. So option D is the answer. So I think we can go to directly now previous year questions. So try this question. 2023 this was asked. So follow the same pattern I showed you. By practicing you can gain more speed and it will not take much time, and sometimes maybe substituting each option also may not be needed. By practice you will get an idea after substituting or understanding the groups of 3 or groups of 4 or groups of 5. You can understand it clearly. Okay, there are chances that this option can make a pattern, so that you can identify. So all of you practice this question. Let us discuss 3 or 4 questions. As I told us, after that I have to teach you number puzzle questions also. Few of the questions we will practice. So 1 minute to try. All of you try. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see. Consider the sequence ABC dash dash ABC dash DABB CD dash ABCD. So first of all, how many elements? Let us count that. 5, 10, 15, 20, including the blank 20. 20, how all you can factorize it? 1 into 20, 20. But this 1 and 20, as I told, that can be avoided. 2 into 10. Again, 2 into 10 means patterns in two groups. Normally that also will not happen. This I am telling from the experience of analyzing previous year papers and how these questions are normally set. In groups of 2 or groups of 10, that is also too big or too small. Too big means 10 elements, one pattern, that is too big for a pattern, and 2 element is too small for a pattern. So you can avoid 2 and 10 also, even if they are factors. Then what is remaining? 4 and 5. Yeah, that are actually good numbers. For groups of 4, groups of 5, totally possible. Totally possible. So let us check groups of 4 and groups of 5 after substituting options into the question. So I substituted DACB. That is how. This is option A. This is option B. This is option C. This is option D. So DACB, when you substituted this, you got. Now let us check groups of 4 or groups of 5 whether we get a pattern or not. Groups of 4, ABCD, AABC, CDAB, BCDB, ABCD. Not a pattern at all. ABCD here is fine, but the others, that is not a pattern. So groups of 4 is not okay. Now groups of 5 we can check. ABCDA, ABCCD, ABCD, BABCD, not a pattern again. So that also can be eliminated. That means option A is eliminated. Now option B. Option B, if you do groups of 4, ABCC, DABC, ADAB, DCDB, ABCD, not a pattern. Groups of 5, ABCCD. Yeah, listen to yourself. Then you will understand whether there is a pattern, there is a sound of a pattern. ABCAD, ABBCD, BABCD, not a pattern again. So that is also eliminated. So option D, B is eliminated. Now C and D are remaining. C and D are remaining. Groups of 4 or groups of 5 you have to check. C will let us check. So ABCD, CABC, CDAB, BCDA, ABCD. So that is not a pattern. ABCDC, ABCCD, ABBCD, ABABCD. Let us check whether there is a pattern. No, the CC is here, BB is here, AA is here, but DD is missing. If DD was there, that may be a pattern. That is why this is also eliminated. So only remaining option is option D. Option D, DDCA. DDCA, let us check. Substituting, you will get this. So ABCD, DABC, CDAB, BCDA, ABCD. Not a pattern, groups of 4. Now groups of 5, let us check. Listen carefully. ABCD, D, ABCC, D, ABBCD, AABCD. So the pattern is there, A, B, C, D. To that, first A is added, then B is added, then C is added, then D is added. Can you see that? A, B, C, D is here. Sorry, reverse. First D is added, then C is doubled. I mean C is added with the A, B, C, D. Then with the A, B, C, D, B is added. Then with the A, B, C, D, A is added. That means one letter is doubled. One letter is doubled. First D, then C, then B, then A. So that is a clear pattern. Yeah, not a very obvious pattern, but if your presence of mind is good and if you apply the theory what I taught you, this is identifiable. 2023 this was asked. All clear? Please respond. Good question, right? So then try this 2021 question if it is clear. Yeah, if you people are understanding the logic, do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people, because that is how YouTube algorithm works. If more people are interested in a video, YouTube will definitely recommend it to more people. And I like these videos to reach to maximum people. So help me do that by hitting the like button if you are understanding. Yeah, if you are not understanding, definitely you can hit the dislike button also. So please try this question. Same process. All questions in this chapter can be done with the same process. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see. So first of all, how many digits, how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. First we discussed about 15 case, then 20 case, now it is 18 case. So 18, how you can factorize 1 and 18, 1 into 18 is 18. Factorization, we have discussed a chapter itself on that in the number system unit. Check it out in this playlist. 1 into 18, so that can be discarded because it is too long or too short. Then 2 into 9, that is also too long or too short because 2 is so small, 9 is so big. 3 and 6, yeah, that are ideal candidates. 3 and 6, groups of 3 or groups of 6. So what we can generalize is, generally groups will be of 3, 4, 5, 6. For all questions of this chapter, a general theory, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the possible number of elements in groups. That which all, to shortlist it, you can use the factorizing idea, because otherwise you have to check all the 4. That is too much time consuming. Na? Checking 2 only will be easier. Na? So now in this question, as I told, as 18, 3 and 6 are the possible candidates for the number of elements in every group. Now 3 and 6, there is one thing you can do. No need to check both, because 3 is multiple of 6. Na? So if you look at 3, automatically 6 is checked, because 2 3s will make a 6. So you don't have to separately check for 3 and 6. Check only for 3. If there is a pattern of 6, you will automatically realize it. Because 3 elements will make 6 elements. Na? So anyway, let us check. Now you can substitute 4 options just like we did earlier. First option, this is first option. When you substitute, you get like this. In groups of 3, BBA, ABB, AAB, BAB, ABA, AAB. Not a pattern. I'm going fast forward. So second option, BBA, AAB, ABB, BAB, ABA, AAB. Not sounding like a pattern, so option B is eliminated. Option C, BBB, AAB, AAB, BAB, ABB, AAB, not a pattern. So option C is eliminated. Option D, when you substitute option D, the characters ABB, AAB, ABB, AAB, ABB, AAB. Can you see that repetition? ABB, AAB repeated 3 times. First ABB group, then AAB group. Then the same thing is repeated 2 more times. So all clear? So that is clearly a pattern. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Some of you may say that many options or many questions option D is being answered in this chapter. I don't know whether there is a pattern. Maybe CSAT want to make you try 3 options and then reach option D. So more options are option D. But we cannot establish such a pattern. But if you want, start substituting from option D. That is up to you. That is totally your freedom. Which option you want to start with. Normally that won't make much a difference. But seeing that 2 out of 3 questions, we have seen option D as the answer. 2 out of 3 question, or yeah, 2 out of 3. No, 2 questions only we discussed of PYQ. Previous one was not a PYQ. Let's see with next question whether option D is the same answer. Let us check. Try the next question. Super fast. Yeah, speaking of these kinds of things, some people have superstitions also. Some people believe that exam paper setter will put this option always more, or last time this many options, this was more, so this time this option will be more. I don't think any such thing is there, but normally in competitive exam, option A being maximum are very rare. Option A being more than other options are very less, because option A normally when substituted, we substitute first option always, na? So maybe that is the reason. Or when, like, I also set question paper for different mock test and all. So when I set question paper also, when the correct answer, when we know the correct answer, then we create the options, na? When we create the options, the correct answer putting in the first option itself, normally we don't tend to do it for more cases. Like if we do that for first question, next time we'll think, okay, last time also first option was put correct. So now we will put next another option correct. Those kinds of thought processes can happen in question paper setter's mind. But with respect to competitive exam, another thing is there. Most competitive exam, it is not one single question paper setter. There may be multiple question paper setters also that can be involved. So that kind of thought processes also we cannot be sure about it. That is why study more or prepare more, practice more than going behind those kinds of jugaads, we can say. Okay, so anyway, trying this question, some of you got an answer. 2020 this was asked in UPSC. So first of all, how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 characters. 20 we already discussed. 4 and 5 are the possible groups. 4 and 5. So after substituting each option, let us try the correct option itself due to lack of time. So here the correct answer, groups of 4 or groups of 5, we can see the pattern. Let's see. Yeah, option C is the correct answer. Other option you can eliminate yourself. AB, AB, A, BC, BC, B, CD, CD, C, DE, DE, D. Yeah, sounding the pattern. Na? Listen to yourself when you read it out. AB, AB, A, BC, BC, B, CD, CD, C, DE, DE, D. So AB, AB repeated, then again A. BC, BC repeated, then again B. CD, CD repeated, then again C. DE, DE repeated, then again D. So clearly option C is the correct answer. Other options, please try yourself. So all of you understood how to do these kinds of questions. One more question for you to try as homework. 2019 this was asked. Here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 elements. So groups of 3 or groups of 5. I have substituted the options also here and you can check it out, or pausing the video you can try it later also. Option D will be the correct answer there. So clearly all option D is not correct. This question it was C, this question it was B. So that's it. That is how series completion question are done. Now one small topic that is pending. we discussed number sequence in the last chapter. Number sequence or number series. So number series, another type of question is number puzzle question. Number puzzle question means the theory is saying these things itself, which I have taught the theory and which is summarized in this flashcard. These kinds of pattern itself, but as a puzzle it can be asked. For example, this 2021 problem. Make a try, after that I will explain. Okay, so I will explain. So here also you are establishing a series itself, but as a puzzle in table format you have to find the missing element. So here question says a two identical sequence. So first, from the first sequence you have to understand what is the pattern, then repeat it to second sequence and find the C element. So what is the first sequence? Let us understand. I told you in the last class, when there is an exponential growth of numbers, when you see the difference, there is an exponential growth. First the difference was -4, then it is +2, then 9, then it is about 30 something, na? Then 200, around 200 or 180 something. So Ravi, I didn't understand. You are asking about last question. That is a homework question. You can try it, and in the Telegram channel I will provide the answer key also for every question and extra practice questions. And also there is an associated Telegram group. Anyone have any doubt on any of the questions I'm giving homework or anything, you can post in the associated Telegram group. Check the description of this video, the Telegram channel link you can find, and from there you can reach the Telegram group also. Okay, so anyway, there's an exponential increase, so taking ratio you will get a pattern. How you can take ratio? 4 by 8, this 4 and 8 divided, 4 by 8 is what? 4 by 8 is half. That means 8 into half is 4. 6 by 4, then 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 15 by 6. 15 by 6, when you cancel it, you will cancel by 3. So 5 by 2. So 3 by 2, 5 by 2, when you see that, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, next it will be 7 by 2. You can try it yourself. Then 9 by 2. Or half, 1 and half, 2 and half, 3 and half, 4 and half. That are these numbers. Are you getting the point? So that is the pattern. That means first number into half is second number into half is third number into half is fourth number, and so on. Now don't waste your time on finding A and B value. You directly go to C value. 5 into half is A into 3 by 2 is B, 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 is C. That means 5 into half into 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 will be C. Directly you can answer that by that. All of you are understanding? Don't waste your time on A and B. Already this question is a little time consuming question. To save time, you have to do these kinds of improvisations. So anyway, 5 into, when you multiply this, 3 into 5, 15 by 8. Now this also you can smartly do by eliminating option. As I told, you have to use the possibility of elimination wherever possible. 15 by 8, 16 by 8 is 2, 15 by 8 is less than 2, 5 into 2 is 10. So the answer should be little less than 10. Little less than 10, only option that qualifies is 9.375. This is much more than 10. This is 5 into 1 only. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 15 by 8 means 5 into almost 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So little less than 10. That kind of smart work if you do, you don't have to exactly multiply and find the value. You can do speed maths or estimations like that. In my speed math class or Vedic maths and speed math playlist, I have explained these kinds of tricks also. Or in the fraction chapter, data interpretation chapter, these two chapters also we discussed about how to understand fractions better to answer questions. So all of you understood this question. So as I told, this is just continuation of number series. As number series, we didn't get time to discuss this. That is why I'm discussing it in this chapter. Okay, so that is clear. Then one more question. In 2015, this was asked. Try this question, all of you. Okay, so this is much different from previous question with respect to the logic used, but the question is, I mean, the same type itself. But in previous question, it was a geometric progression kind of thing. That is a common number or a pattern is multiplied. But here what it is, here when you see 3 and 6, 3 into 2 is 6, 8 and 56, 8 into 7 is 56, 10 and 90, 10 into 9 is 90. Or more clearly if you want to see, this is nothing but 3 into 1 less than 3, 2, that is 6. 8 into 1 less than 8, that is 8 into 7, 56. 10 into 1 less than 10, 9. 10 into 9, 90. So 2 into 1 less than 2, that is 2. So something into 1 less than that thing, that is n into n minus 1 is 20. Again you can factorize as we discussed in previous concept. 20 if you factorize, you will get 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. So n into n minus 1 are factors of 20. N and n minus 1 means they are successive numbers. So 5 and 5 minus 1 will make sense. 5 and 5 minus 1, or this missing number should be 5. All clear? Why missing number is 5? So that 5 into 5 minus 1, 4. 5 into 4 is 20. So the correct answer is option A, 5. And 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 into 0 is 0. Very simple, na? So this is how to do puzzle type question. More puzzle type questions I have added here. You can check it out. This question you can try it and post the answer in the chat. So that's it. Hope all of you understood puzzle type question. I am trying to give you idea of all chapters so that you don't miss any chapter. But for extra practice, you can do more questions. And I am providing more questions in our Telegram channel. Last 4 or 5 topics practice questions are pending. That will be updated soon. So you can try them also. Minimum 10 questions from each topic are added there. So make use of that for extra practice. And check the other playlist in this channel for extra learning of concepts or extra practice of questions. Other exam playlist also you can check out if those questions are matching with your exam. Now you know how the questions are coming in UPSC CSAT. Na? So CSAT aspirants, you can check out other playlists in this channel. All similar questions that you see there, you can practice it definitely. So that's it. I think today we can complete here. This is a letter and number involved series. In coding, decoding, we discussed about letters now. A, B, C, D up to Z, cycle of letters. Sometimes letters can also be added into a number along with a number to form a pattern. So here the pattern is very simple. 7 plus 3 is this 10. 3 plus 6 is this 9. So 10 plus something is 13. So this should be 3. The number is 3. The pattern is 3. The pattern you can see is this number plus this number is middle number. And ABC is just rearranged. First BAC, then CBA, then ACB. So 3B. That's an alphanumeric sequence. Very less time alphanumeric sequence are asked, but that is how to do it. So more questions of this puzzle type I have added here. This is a wonderful question. There are two ways of solving it. One of the ways I have mentioned here. These questions I will add in the Telegram channel. So that's it. Is it completely clear, these topics? Any feedback? As I ask daily, I know that some of you are very tensed about your preparation. That is why maybe some of you are not replying. That is okay. But at least few of you, if you give me feedback, that will be wonderful. Right from my first day of teaching, that was about 10 years back. Right from my first day of teaching till today, every class I have asked students for feedback. That is why I'm repeating even in YouTube series. Don't get bored of it, because feedback is one thing that keeps me active to deliver any classes or any classes in the future. That is why your feedback is very valuable. So do let me know all your feedback in this comment section, positive or negative. Whatever feedback you can mention in the Telegram channel, sorry, in this comment section. So that's it. Perfect sum. Thank you so much, Shruti. Yeah, before exam, to be frank, why I started is I am teaching in multiple institutes all over India and through my online platforms also. So students from different institutes were asking about a revision series like this. So thought like starting it, and so happy to see that new students who were not aware of my classes also were able to follow the series. That is a wonderful thing, and thanks for those people who recommended to new people and made them or brought them here to the series. Definitely more people being in a class is always an inspiring thing for any teacher to deliver better content or more energetic way the teacher can deliver the content. So that's it. I think let's conclude for today. Hope all of you understood it. Thank you so much, Shubhangi. Thank you so much for the good words. Yeah, I am seeing each of your comments. Many of you are commenting, and each of your comments I am reading. When I get time, I will definitely reply you. Most of you I have replied, I guess, but like in every 5 days or so, I try to check and reply to each of your comments. So do continue doing that. So happy to hear, Shika. Thank you so much. So that's it. Let's conclude, and once again reminding about the paid courses also. The free classes will continue, as I have told earlier also. I try to maintain a balance between free classes and my paid classes. The paid courses are more structured, more ordered. That is for sure, because more time we will get there. So that is a main difference, because many people ask me, YouTube classes is enough or paid classes enough. That is totally up to you. Because paid classes, definitely, as we set more time for that, definitely it will be more beneficial. But if you have that much time to invest, definitely you can consider paid classes. So if you have already less time, go with the YouTube classes itself. But if you have more time to invest for preparation, I am telling this to CSIR NET aspirants now, because for UPSC aspirants, my paid courses are only through other institutes. Currently paid courses for UPSC are not announced, but in the next year for the 2025 exams, we will be starting paid courses for UPSC CSAT also through this platform or through the mobile application Christy's classes. So currently paid courses for CSIR NET, paid courses for GATE are there. For GATE, the paid course will be starting from July 1st or 2nd week. The announcement will happen very soon. So and CSIR NET, this is the details of the paid course. 60 recorded videos with free online study materials. Free online study materials worth ₹500 is available with this course itself. 100 flashcards, 50 topic wise PDFs, 50 practice worksheets and test series are part of this free resources, and 60 recorded videos covering all theory, previous year questions, practice questions, mock test, shortcut tricks and exam hacks, everything in a single course. That is why the title is complete course. And the course is in English and Hindi, mix of English and Hindi, and the course can be accessed in laptop and mobile. So for more information, you can contact this number. For free demo videos, you can download our mobile application and see the store section. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night. See you all in the next class. Tomorrow morning 9 a.m. class will be there. Second class, it won't be in the evening. It will be somewhere in the afternoon or morning itself. So we'll update you very soon about the second class. Ashwin, I think it is 26, 27, 28. Last week of June itself. 25, 26, 27 or 26, 27, 28. I don't know. Those 4 days in between. That is the date. You can check online. But those 4 days, one of those two options I told. One of those are that is what I remember. Okay. So anyway, let's conclude. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night.